Hello, bonjour. I will show you how to soak and activate walnuts. Walnuts don't sprout, but they activate. So they are now in, this is in filtered water, and you use 1/3 of nuts with 2/3 of water and soak it for 12 hours, okay? Then the next step, I take a strainer like this. I like this. You see, it's not too thick. It's a big one. Very practical. I'll put the link in the, so you can see where it's from. I'm just gonna move my phone. Now what I do is I pour the nuts and do it all. There we go. Put the nuts into the strainer and we'll rinse. My water is, there is a water filter underneath my sink for cold water. That's the water I use as well to soak the walnuts. It's best if you can to soak it in filtered water. Best to do it that way. And then you can, there you go. Turn this. Rinse them well. There you go. So what is that? It's about a minute, 1 minute to 2 minutes. And then you rinse them well. There. And the strainer, if you put it on an angle, you see the water that comes out? So that's why I've got this one here that I did earlier. Whoopsies. I'll show you again with my phone. There. I did this one earlier, and it's on an angle, and then the water all comes down. And then you can always give it a shake. And then the next step, I'll just put this down so I can show you. You simply take a tray, a dehydrator tray, and you put the nuts on top, and you dehydrate. I dehydrate for 24 hours at less than 118. And basically when they're crunchy, they're back to being shelf stable. And you'll see there's a huge difference. It really is sweeter, way nicer taste than when you eat them as is. Because when you eat them without soaking and activating, you eat the anti-nutrients, and there are toxins that protects the nut from going moldy, so you eat that. So that's not a good idea to eat that. All right? Happy sprouting!